Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to create meeting in Outlook and how we can schedule it. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, there is a two way you can schedule the meeting. So first way, you can schedule meeting on immediately on email. Okay, so if you got the email from person or company, so you can immediately schedule the meeting if you want. So just open the email. Okay, so I got the email from Microsoft, so I want to make the meeting or schedule the meeting on with this person, so I can schedule the meeting. Okay, so what you have to do, okay, here, okay, just select the mail and click on meeting. Here you can see new let me show you where it is. Okay, so just open the email and you have to click on this three dot option, and this option you will see here, or maybe this option you can see the under this option. So I got this option tab here, so you can see this icon, and same icon you can see here. Just click on it. Now your all details will be synchronized automatically, and you have to just select the start time and end time, and in start time and end time. Okay, you can select the date also. You can change the location, and here you can add the more person from here. Okay, and you can add the optional person from here. Just click on require and more, you can add more person from here. Okay, or you can add manually if you want. Okay, you can add manually here, or you can add person for optional. Now you can send it, then this meeting will be created and it will be scheduled. So you have to select the date or time at when you want to schedule. Okay, so that is the first way. Second way, you can create the new meeting from here. Go to the new item, go to the meetings, and it is a blank top of pop-up will be open window. Here you have to fill up the all details. So just select the date when you want to schedule. So I just select the next day. Time I select, keep it by default. You can change the location, and this is location. Now give the title of your meeting. So netcast meeting. Here the two way you can add. First is required, it means it's mandated to attend this meeting, or this is optional. They can add the meeting. Okay, so add from here. You can also add from your address book. Okay, you can change address book from here, and you can find out the people to add them. Okay, you can see I add 3 people here. Now you can just send it, or you can save it and you can send later. Just send it, it will be sent this person. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below.